Mixing light, medium and darker skin tones using transparent colors. We also take a glimpse into how the masters Rembrandt and Frans Hals approached painting skin tones in their portraits. Begin with a mix of white and a small amount of yellow. Add a tiny amount of red to create a peachy tone. Medium skin tones. Mix yellow with a bit more red to create an orange base. Add white to lighten as needed. Adjust with a hint of blue for cooler undertone. Dark skin tones. Start with a base of brown and red. Add yellow for warmth to achieve golden undertones. Transparent colors are some of the easiest to mix because they often have a lower pigment load, allowing you to control the intensity of your colors more easily. When you mix transparent paints with opaque ones on your palette, you can mimic the glazing effect, creating depth in your work. I often do this with titanium white, which is an opaque color. Rembrandt and Frans Hals employed different techniques in their painting methods, especially when it came to painting skin tones. Rembrandt used glazing, a technique that involves building up multiple thin, transparent layers of oil paint over a base layer. This method gave his skin tones an almost glowing 3D quality. Frans Hals painted alla prima, which involves applying paint in one layer while it's still wet, often in bold, swift strokes. Adjust with blue to create shadows or cool undertones. Here are some tips for you. Work with small amounts and use a palette knife. Avoid using pure black for shadows. Instead, darken with complementary colors or adding blue or brown. If your mix is too bright, also use a complementary color, like adding a tiny bit of green to a red color to neutralize it. See you in the next video. It's all about Barbie, the next layers. And happy painting!